So hi everyone, I am Tanmay and today we will see how a Bitcoin transaction occurs, how it is visualized using chain lengths. So first let's try to understand what is a transaction. Transaction is nothing but a transfer of assets between two or more people. Here you can see how a transaction is occurring. Here is our input and now our money is being burned and converted into new forms. 10,000 sats to someone output 0, 5,000 sats to output 1, and then there's something called miner fee. This fee is actually charged from your transactions so that your network can actually keep performing these transactions. This is like a salary of a cashier in a bank. Then there's also something called weight. This determines how much fees is charged. It is directly proportional to how large your transactions actually are. Then there's a called SegWit. SegWit allows us to blaze our transactions at high speed by following by executing some of the parts off chain, making it faster. Then there is also something called script in here. P2W script introduces SegWit into this transaction. Scripts allows us to modify and tell how a transaction should be occurring on the blockchain. Then there is also something called RBF signaling. RBF signaling is nothing but a process to make your transactions faster and cheaper. Here you can see how much I saved using SegWit, 34.9%. Then there is also something called Timelocks. So Bitcoin allows you to save your transactions, making them inaccessible without your permission for a very long time. That is time locks. Then I've also added some safety checks and warnings, which this is not actually passing any kind of warnings. And here you can see all of the transaction data. Thank you.